All right, guys. Welcome to the live show. I believe you can all hear me, guys. If you can hear me, can you leave a chat? Okay, leave a yes on the chat, leave a yes on the chat, and let me know where you are joining me from. If you can hear me, leave a yes on the chat and let me know. So let me take this banner out of the screen. Who is ready to trade this afternoon? Who is ready to scalp the market this afternoon? Currently, I'm still looking at the YGG. Okay, I'm looking at the YGG token. And anyway, before we go into the business of the day, for those of you who joined the live section, as you can see, okay, the trades we took during the live section, okay, the GTC is actually, in profit. We have the ETC as well is in profit, okay. And then these other tokens for Max and for the APT token, these are the ones I took, before even the live section this morning. So yeah, I can decide to close these two right now, but I have a target. Okay, this one is already in profit by 43% and all of that. Okay, and then this other one by 7% and the rest. So let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how it goes. We'll just let it run. All right, and then we'll go to the business of the day. Currently, what I have on my chart here, now, in case you don't know already, all right, in case you don't know already, I'm using the MEXC exchange. Okay, okay, thank you, Barnett, for confirming that. All right, thank you, Abalaka. Thank you for confirming that. Okay, yeah. Basically, in case you don't know already, I'm using the MEXC BTC. I use MEX. Okay, I use Bybit, Fed. I use all of these different for different reasons. All right. So we use all of these exchanges for different reasons. All right. And the reason why I am actually using the MEXC exchange right now is because of the high leverage, not just because of the high leverage, but because of this free fee trading stuff that they are offering. Okay, with Mexi you can fee free, and if you are trading on spot, any trade at all you take on spot is free. Okay, so it's free for spot traders, and then for futures it's just 0.01% in fee and all of that. All right. So if you don't have a Mexi account, go to the description of this video. Okay, go to the description of this video and use the first link here to sign up for an account. All right. So if you don't have a Mexi account, go to the description of this video. Use the first link here to sign up for an account on the Mexi exchange. Okay. And because we are going to be using high leverage and the rest, we can use as little margin as possible. Maybe like $2, $3, $4 to enter trades. Okay. We'll just be risking those small money and see what plays out for us. All right. So before I go into looking at the token you want me to look at, yeah, Abalaka, yeah, GTC is actually going in profit and all of that. So let's see how it plays out, okay? Currently, I'm still looking at the YGG token, all right? YGG token is what I'm looking at, and this is what I am expecting. This is on the 15 minutes time frame, okay? So it seems as if we found a resistance here because we rejected here initially, rejected here again. So I want to see like the third rejection here, all right? The third rejection here, that is what I want to get. So I want to enter a trade to the downside if YGG actually gets to 61 cent. All right. So if it gets to 61 cent, I want to enter a trade to the downside. And then if we come and reject at that 51 cent again, I want to take a trade to the upside. So for YGG, this is the setup that I have right now. You can actually take a screenshot of that. Okay, my entry will be at 0.6144 for YGG token. Okay, my entry will be at 0.6144, and then I'm hoping to take profit at 0.5262. Then my stop loss would be at 0.6381. Okay, 0.6381. I have to put that stop loss that close because this token is doing wonders. All right. Before you know it, this thing can actually just pump to like $1 right now and all of that. So I don't want to be taken unaware. If it gets there, I accept my losses and wait for another opportunity to fight back. Okay. So that is for YGG. And then the next token that I want you guys to equally trade this afternoon. Okay, these are not scalping trades. Okay, these are just long setup for you. So the next token that I want us to look at is OP. All right, let me equally give you my setup for the OP trade, OP USDT. All right, So let me give you the setup for that particular token. What's happening? Yes, OP USDT. So currently we are at $1.74. All right, we are at $1.74. So let's right now. Okay, guys, I believe my network is not that superb. Give me a moment. Let me see if I can adjust those the network, okay, or switched. If I can do that, then I'll come back because this thing is actually very slow. Yeah, it's not loading as I expected. So yeah, for OP, let me give you my setup for OP token. But before then, let me adjust. Madam Lily, just give me a moment, okay? Let me just do this setup and see if we can have a trade running while we discuss. All right. So just give me a moment. All right. So yeah, for OP, this is exactly what I'm looking at. This is the setup that I'm looking at for this trade. I'm going to be looking for a short trade, okay? A short trade to the downside. So my entry will be currently what I'm looking at right now is yeah, so I'm looking at these areas, right? So this is my area of interest, anything at that $80 of a thing, okay? So this zone of $80, $1.80 and thereabout, that's where I'm looking at, shorting this trade. Okay, that's why I'm looking at shorting this trade. Because if we look at this market right now, we still need to, I see this trade coming down to, test this trend line. All right. I see it coming down to test like this. Maybe it goes up this way, right? And then eventually comes back to test the trend line or bounce from here before it continues that upward movement. That's exactly what I'm projecting. So I'll be entering a short trade. You can set limit order for this, okay, at $1.82. Okay, maybe $1. Yeah, my entry will be at exactly $1.82. Put stop loss just slightly above, okay, and then your first target should be the trend line. Your first target should be the trend line, and then gradually you can start following, that trend to the downside. Okay, your first target should be the trend line, and gradually you start following the trend to the downside. Okay, so let me adjust this and show you that. Okay, so let's see if we can push this like that. So our first target will be the trend line, and then we can follow as high, as low as even up to 47 cents or thereabout. This area, okay, this area will be our take profit target and all of that. So this is exactly what I'm looking at. All right, so we can bring our stop loss slightly close. That is, if OP plays that is exactly what I'm looking at. Okay, I see that going up and then coming back to test this trend line at $1.58, $1.60, or even below. All right, or even below. That is what I am looking at for the OP trade. Okay, that's what I'm looking at for the OP trade. So you can equally set a limit order and see how that plays out. All right, and see how that plays out. Now, reason why you should be trading with Mexi, guys. Currently, you see that I don't need trading view right now, and you know why? Because on Mexi, one good thing I love about them is if I put this on a full screen, okay, this chart that you're seeing on the full screen now, it doesn't cover the whole of my tabs. All right, it doesn't cover the whole of my tabs. I can still have this on full screen and still navigate to other tabs without any issue. And then unlike other exchanges, okay, Mexi actually gives you access to all of the time frame on the trading view chart. Okay, they give access to all of the time frame. You can access the 8 hours time frame, you can access the 12 hours time frame, the daily time frame, all of that on the Mexi exchange. All right, but that doesn't stop you from paying for, it doesn't stop you from paying for, a premium if you don't have one already. All right, it doesn't stop you from paying for a premium trading via account. But I'm just saying, for a start, at least for a start, okay, you get this and all of that. So for the Mexi, for the OP trade, okay, yeah, pay attention to that. Okay, if there is any token you want us to trade this afternoon, guys, you can just go ahead and let me know on the chat. Okay, let me know on the chat. Today I've been profit $600 in YGG. Susan, you are welcome. $600. That's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. All right, that's a lot. You come and take me out for lunch. Okay, come and take me out for lunch. That's a good one. Yeah, yeah, that's a good one. Okay, yeah. Don't if I were you, all right, don't be overexcited. Don't be too overexcited in the trade and all of that, so that you don't go ahead and lose everything you made. Okay, if possible, Susan, take a break. Okay, take a break, or you can do I don't know what you risk per trade. You can first transfer like maybe 400 or 500 out of that 600 to your funding account. Okay, transfer some money to your funding account. Let that be for your for your payment. You deserve to be paid. Okay, you deserve to be paid and all of that. Then you can start again with whatever money you have on your trading account. Don't use all the money now so that you don't get overexcited and then you blindly enter a trade and lose back the money. Okay, yeah. So if you are okay with that, please take a break before you make another decision so that you don't get taken out of the market and all of that. So YGG is still playing out, all right? So let's go back again, and my entrance will be once it gets to that level. So for OP, this is what I'm looking at, all right? So make sure you pay attention. My entrance for short will be at 1.28, $1.82, okay? And then we target as low as 1.5, 1.4, and all of that. Okay. So if we go back to YGG, let's see how it works. Okay. So if you have spotted this over $354 million in trading volume, that is a lot. All right. It means that you and I are not the only one in this. Okay. The bigger boys in the market too. And when they start selling, the same way this coin is pumping right now, when they start selling, is the same way the coin will be dumping. All right. Once this guy starts selling, the same way this coin is pumping right now is the same way it's going to be dumping and all of that. All right. So yeah, if you have spotted this earlier, okay, with this rejection here, you would have actually long this coin, and by now you would have been in profit. So let's see how this plays out. All right. Let's see how this plays out. We want you to come to this area here, reject from that area, and then we'll take it to the down. All right. We want it to come to that area and reject from that area, then we'll take it down. So to show you what's possible, if we go to higher time frame, let's start looking at the higher time frame and see what this token is currently doing. So if I go to like the 8 hours time frame, let's see if we can get because the resistance and support area spotted here is just on the 15 minutes time frame. So if we go to a higher time frame, let me see if we can get those support and resistance. Internet is still not fast, guys. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. All right, guys, I think I'm back. Please smash that like button, okay? Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button if you love what we are doing here. We need to get to as many persons as possible. Smash the like button. All right. Country is not smiling, so we need to find an alternative to making money in this country, guys. Okay. So trading is something that can earn you a living if you know your way around it. All right. And one thing is you can't run away from losses, okay? You can't run away from losing trade. When you lose, but the thing is, how much are you ready to lose and all of that, all right? So here on the 8 hours, we are still on that level. If I check the weekly time frame, let me go to the weekly time frame and see what's possible. Okay. Okay, let me do daily first. Then from daily, we can go to the weekly and see what's possible with this. Guys, I don't know why my internet is not loading as fast as it should. Okay, please check one more API. Yeah, API 3, we'll do that. We'll do that, okay? I'm just waiting for my chat to load up. We'll do that. We'll check API 3. Okay, we'll check API 3, but I guess internet is not it's not on our side. Let's refresh this page and see what's possible. So while that is loading up, let me go to here and look for the API 3 USDT. Okay, yeah, so let's do this. Okay, yeah, okay. So the setup we had for this was I told us that I was going to use, the 618 level, right? Okay, currently we are at the 50% level, right? So we just rejected from the 50% level. So I personally want to use the 618 level as my entry into the upside. Okay, the 50% can equally reject, but I want to use the 618 level as my entry to the upside. Okay, a long trade will be to take a trade from the 618 level stuff. So let's bring this close so that we'll be able to see what we are looking at, right? So the 618 level is the area we want to use as our take profit level. So I'll bring this closer so that we'll be able to see it, guys. So for this, I'm going to enter a trade if it gets to this 618 level and reject from there. Okay. Once it rejects from there to the upside, that is where I'll be taking a trade. But currently, where we just have this rejection from is the 50% level. Now, will it hold this area? That is what I'm not sure of. Okay. If it will hold this area, that is exactly what I am not sure of. Okay. I'm not sure of that if it's going to hold that area, but the 618 level is my entry level for that trade. For the API tree, the 618 level is my entry level for the trade, okay? So, Susan, that is exactly what I'm looking at. The 618 level is my, entry to the upside, okay? So, YGG didn't play out the way we want it, but let's see. We'll still wait, okay? So for this particular trade, I'm waiting for it to come down this way, right? Come down and then reject here. This is my entry, okay? Then I can take a trade to the upside, all right? Which is the setup I have here. So if you want to copy this, setup, go ahead and do that, okay? If you want to copy this setup, go ahead and do that, guys. All right. So you see, take profit 1.31, entry is 1.093, and then stop loss is 0.979. Okay. Copy that before. If you want to copy that, do that before I proceed. Okay. All right. So Balaka wants us to look at Gala. All right. Yeah. So this is the entry for this particular trade. This is what I'm looking at, and let's see how it plays out. All right, so for Gala USDT, let's see. Gala, I think I have a setup already, like a limit order for that API tree. So I will see how it plays out. All right, let me open Gala. So this didn't work out the way we planned, but we'll still wait, okay? We'll still wait until it gets up there. We'll still wait for the API token. All right, so for Gala, let's look at higher time frames and see what is possible with Gala. All right, guys, smash that like button, okay? Smash the like button for me, guys. Please do me a favor by smashing that like button, all right? That way you encourage me for more of this. Okay, so Gala USDT. All right, so look at that. Okay, so there's supposed to be a retest, but that retest, we'll see that on the lower time frame. So we broke above that trend line, guys. All right, so what we are waiting for now is a retest. So on the 1 hour time frame, as far as I'm concerned, we've not had that retrace on the 1 hour time frame. Neither do we, even on the 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, that the retrace of that trend line. So what I should be looking at right now is, because the trend line is slightly above our support level. So for Gala, I'll set a limit order to long this trade here. All right. I'll set a limit order to long this at just there. All right. So I will long this at 0.03. Let me set that limit order right now for Gala. Let me see if I still have money on my people with this one. So okay, let me see if I still have money on my. I think I still have about $23 here. So yeah, I'll go ahead and order for Gala. So we can set. Okay, let me do that. I'll do that one on Bybit, right? I'll do that one on Bybit. That one is for YG. So yeah, as a setup for that is a setup for Gala. That's the setup for Gala. So yeah, pick the setup. Okay, pick it up. Let me go to. Let's check another one. Suleiman is always like that. Okay, the spot is across all exchanges. All right, most especially in a time where a coin is pumping like this. When a coin pumps like this, okay, the price on the futures trade is always different. Okay, if you have followed me for a while now, I told you that is why when I search for a token, I'm searching for a particular that contract, that particular pair I want to trade, and on the exchange that I want to trade. Okay, the pair is always different. That is the reason why if I come in here for research for Gala, all right, when I search for Gala USDT, look at this. Okay, you see Gala for Binance, this is for spot. You see Gala for spot, for OKX, you see Gala for all of these different exchanges, right? And then you see spot, you see perpetual contract and all of that. You see all of these different. I cannot go and open Binance, but when I know that I'm going to trade on Bybit, I can, because the price on Binance spot will be different from what is currently trading on the futures market on Bybit, which is why I want to always look for that particular pair that I want to trade. So here in this case, Gala USDT, I'll take the one of Bybit and I go ahead and trade it. So if you are using TradingView, please always pay attention to this. If not, you will make mistake. Okay, you will use the price of what is trading on the spot market and start analyzing what you want to do on futures. And before you know, it has happened to me before. Before you know it, you are losing money and all of that. Okay, so it's always like that. I don't know why. Always, most especially with a coin that is pumping very seriously, the price on the spot market will always be different from the price in the futures market. It's like that, all right? It's like that. I've noticed that long time ago, which is why whenever I'm searching for a token, I want to friendly on the exchange, not just on the exchange, but on the market that I want to trade. So if it is futures, I'll make sure that I'm looking for that perpetual contract pair. If it is spot, I make sure that I'm looking for that spot pair. All right. So it's always like that. All right. It's always like that. Okay. So yeah. Let me take Gala USDT. That's the trade I wanted to take. So Gala USDT. Gala USDT, guys. Our entry is at 0.02314. 0.02314. Okay, so use whatever capital you want to use and go ahead and take that trade as you want. So I'll settle that stuff right now. So our take profit will be, let me target around 0.028. Okay. or 0.0266. Yeah, that should give us around the 150%, and then our stop loss will be 0.0223. Okay, 0.02232. So let's see how that plays out. Okay, we'll open a long trade for that, and then boom. So let's see how that plays out, guys. All right. Any other token you want us to look at? Any other token you want us to look at, guys? We have, the next few hours, 1 or 2 hours to stay here to ask all of your questions. Lily, please, if you can hear me, we can equally talk. I wanted to talk to you about something and all of that. So
I can hear you.
yeah, thank you. Lily, what are you currently trading? Are you trading any pair at all? Are you trading any Tokowada spot or futures? Anyone? The one thing with these exchanges, they always like rejecting network anyhow. Okay, they are always rejecting network. You see that TradingView is working smoothly for me, but I prefer to be using the app to be taking my trades, guys. I prefer to be using the app to be taking my trades. All right, so yeah. Let's look at some other trades. So yeah, this one will be there. Let's see how it plays out, right? Order for that, so that we don't miss out in case it plays out. So where is that my entry? Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame and see when. Okay. All right. Thank you for confirming that. All right, guys. Smash that like button, okay? Smash that like button. Sorry, network is a bit slow, but this is from the exchange's end, not from my end. But if you don't have a Mexi account, go to the link, okay, to sign up for a Mexi account. I have a bonus for you. If you sign up, you can get up to $9,100 in deposit bonus. All right, in deposit bonus. So now this is a secret for you guys. Okay, this is a secret for you guys. One thing some of you don't understand is that when these exchanges tell you that you can do this and get this bonus, it's not as if maybe they are just saying that they're just saying it for saying sake. Okay, if you have the money, why not? All right, I it's actually a secret. Don't tell anyone that I told you this. Okay. I have people who have a lot of money and because they want to claim bonuses, right? For instance, if Maxi has said deposit like $10,000 or deposit like $50,000 and you get $10,000 in bonus and all of that, they don't mind. They have the money, guys. So what they'll do is they'll go ahead, transfer that money, okay, into the account and then do the trading, the required trading volume. Once they do the required trading volume, they have made profit on top, they will just withdraw their money and then they will now start trading with the bonus capital, okay, that the exchanges has given them. It's as simple as that. All right. It's as simple as that. For instance, Bybit gives you the option of getting up to $30,000 in trading in deposit bonus. $30,000 in deposit bonus, and that requires you to deposit at least how much is that? Is it 150,000 or thereabout, and then do some trading volume and all of that. So when you do that, you have 30,000 in Bybit, all right, to start trading with. When I started this trading journey, I think I started with, it was Bybit. I got up to $50 in Bybit for deposit bonus. Yes. I got up to $50 on Bybit when I started. So I had to, trade after I got the bonus. After I made my deposit, I got the bonus. I just transferred the bonus into my futures trading account and then transfer out my money. So it was the bonus I was trading with. That way I know that I was trading with, capital that is not mine. But luckily for me, I actually, started making profit on that and all of that. All right. So yeah, even I think I've been posting on the Telegram for the 10%, the 500 position size and all of that. Those of you are signing up for a new account, it is good for you. Okay, take advantage of all of that. It pays. And the trading competition, make sure that you're there, guys. Okay, so let me set the limit order for this. Is 0.6144. Okay, 0.6144, and the quantity, let me say I'm using like 25% of my capital, and then the cost of that will be, how much is it going to cost me? Around $23. And I'm using, no, I don't want to use 50x leverage. God, this one will just take me out of the market immediately. Let me do 20. Okay, I'll do 20x leverage and leave it on isolated mode. Always make sure that you check all of these things, because if you enter a trade, maybe what is there is 125x leverage, and you just enter a trade, and all of a sudden it takes you out. You will not blame anyone for that, guys. You won't blame anyone for that. So yeah, let me confirm that and see how it works. Okay. Yeah, so network is a bit slow. I'll do that with my phone, guys. Let me do it with my phone. So let me do that with my phone. The app opens faster than the phone. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to use this platform actually. So, okay, this has changed to 20x. Yeah, so it has changed to 20x, and then let's say take profit and stop losses immediately before we take the trade. So we'll go ahead and select this option that says short TP and SL. Okay, so we'll do for that. All right, so once we do that, it tells us we can either put the price of the coin or we'll put percentage. All right, so if I go ahead and put percentage that I want to make 50% here, it tells you that when it gets to 0.599, that is 50% already. And you know why? Because I'm using 50x leverage. So I can do like 100%. Okay, 100% is when it gets to 0.5836. All right, and then our stop loss will be where? Let's do, okay, I'm risking just $20, so I don't need to put stop loss here. In that case, I'll go ahead and open short. All right, I'll go ahead and open short, and then it gives you all of this summary. So where is our liquidation? Estimated liquidation. There's no liquidation. Why? Why is there no liquidation? Are we using cross margin? Why is there no liquidation? Something fishy. I'm using 20. Am I on cross or I think I'm cross? I'm on cross. Is it cross or isolated? Which one is it? Isolated now. Anyway, I don't know why they didn't give me liquidation price, but let's see how that works. So I'll go ahead and open that. Yes, and then go ahead and confirm that. Okay. So I think that trade has been placed. All right. So I have number 4 trades pending here. So when it goes through, it should be able to show up here. I don't know if that works, but let me check my orders. It's network actually, guys. It's network. It's network, okay? Yeah, so when it refreshes and YGG has been placed already, you can see there. So YGG has been placed already. We let that run and see what happened. Okay, another thing I can do is to go to the home page of this exchange. Let me show you how we can be looking for coin. I didn't get the entry TP and stop loss for Gala. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry. This is it. Okay, if you can see it, let me know. If not, I will call them out. Okay, these are the entries for Gala. That's what I'm currently looking at for the Gala token. All right, so for Gala, that's what I'm looking at. Entry is 0.02314. 0.02314. Stop loss is 0.02232. And then TP is 0.06026. Okay, 026. Let me know if you are done so that we'll go to the next trade. Okay. I want to look at another token. Let's see if we can get another opportunity to make some money with another token, guys. All right. So okay, all right. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's go. There's one token I saw that they say that's pumped. How many percent? Is it Dodo? Is it Dodo or so? Dodo. Yes, it's equally traded on the futures market. So let's see that token. Look at that. And exactly rejection at the 200-day moving average. So we use the 200-day moving average now as a resistance. So we just rejected from that area, guys. Look at that. God have mercy. How come I will not know when this coin is pumping this way? Why can't I know when this coin is about to pump? Let's say I entered here. And then boom. But this is one surprising thing, okay? If, for instance, I've entered this trade around this area and then it started pumping, I would not even have waited for this pump. Maybe if it has given me 50% here or even 40% here, I would have closed the trade long time ago. That is one stupid thing about trading. All right. So you need to equally learn how to conquer those fears of let me secure profit now. Let me secure profit now. Okay, when you see a situation like this, most especially with YGG, you keep adjusting your stop loss. Why it is increasing, you are following suit. Why it increases, you follow suit. Why it increases, you follow suit, and all of that. Okay, yeah. So we'll look at for possible entry, but what I'm looking at is for this token to actually come respect this level here. I think that's exactly where we rejected. We almost rejected from that area. So yeah, I just wanted to, maybe it can push back up again to that area. Nobody knows. All right. So this other area here serves as our support. So here is our support level down there and all of that. So for this trade, what are we looking for? We already missed the pump, so there's nothing we can do right now. We'll wait for another opportunity, guys. Okay. So we'll wait for another opportunity. Let it play out. This candle will close in the next 4 minutes. All right. This candle will close in the next 4 minutes. And maybe when it closes, another one will continue. But if we get it back up here to around 13 cents, we should be looking for a short trade. Okay. If we get it back up here to around 13 cents, we should be looking for a short trade. But right now, you don't need to do anything because if you short here, it may go up. And then if you long here, it may still go down. So no need to do anything. Allow it to play out and let's see how it goes, okay? Allow it to play out and let's see how it goes, guys. Okay. So allow it to play out and let's see how it goes. So for Mexi, normally I go to the marketplace to look at coins that are pumping, that are doing very well, and start looking for trades on that area there. Okay. So if you want to trade spot with zero fee, all right, whether you're a taker, you're a maker, you want to trade with zero fee, make sure that you go to the description of this video, right, and sign up for a Mexi account. go to the description of this video and sign up for a Mexi account, guys. Just download the app, all right? Sign up with your email, your phone number, and then that's all. All right, the first link in the description there is the link to sign up for your Mexi account, guys. The first link in the description is the link to sign up for a Mexi account. So while that loads up, let me know any token you want us to look at, okay? For this particular token, I'm not going to do anything at 11 cents. Yes, I'm not going to do anything. Let's see. In the next 3 minutes, this candle will close. Let's see how this plays out, all right? Let's see how this plays out. Look at this candle engulfing this one. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Let's see how this plays out. There's nothing I can do right now on this trade, okay? So if there's any other token you want us to look at right now, just let me know. Let me know on the charts. Let's use TradingView. While we analyze on TradingView, we use our take profit, our phones, okay, to enter the trades. While we analyze on TradingView, we use our phones to enter the trade. So let's see how that candle will close, guys. Okay, YGG is actually approaching our entering price, okay? Gradually, we are going to that entering price. We just hope that we, reverses from that area and not, move above that area. YGG is gradually going to our entry. So let's use TradingView to monitor that trade. And I think I have YGG on my watch list here. Yes. Yeah, so we are gradually heading there. Okay, so let's see how this plays out, guys. Let's see how that plays out, okay? So if you have not set up the entrance, you can do that if you want to. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, DYDX, let's look at, Steven wants us to look at DYDX. Let's see DYDX. Let's see DYDX. Okay, we have already set a limit order for this, so we'll allow it to play out and see what happens. If it hits our stop loss, we accept it. If not, that's fine. All right, so DYDX USDT. Okay, for DYDX, this is the setup I have. I want to enter the trade at $2, right? I personally want to enter a trade at $2. All right, so my entry is at that is 2.017. DYDX 2.017. I think I already had the limit order already for this 0.2. That is 2.017. 2.017. Then I'll take profit down just around that 200-day moving average at around 2.15, and then my stop loss will be at around 1.96. Okay, so because it comes down this way and we make that we want to close the trade and re-enter somewhere at 1.90 but yeah, right now I want to see a reject at this area. Okay, I see rejection at this support area. Exactly what I mean, that make a trade to the upside. Okay, I will see a rejection at this area, come bounce and then take it back. But if you reject here, then the next possible area to be looking for a trade will be at 1.905. Okay, but for now, this is the trade setup I have for DYDX. You can, that down. Entries, that's 2.017, take profit 2.157, and then stop loss 0.963. And then this is a risk reward ratio of 1 to 5 or 1 to 2. Okay, reward ratio of 1 to 2, 1 to 5, sorry. Okay, yeah, so Darwin 98. Okay, let's look at ING. Are we clear with this? Okay, is the okay taking that down? Let's go to and set up for ING. All right, let me see how I can go a trade as well. All right, ING USDT. Let's look at what's possible with that particular coin. We're at $8 level. Okay, these are the different levels I've actually been at. ING token right here. Okay, so we rejected at that $9 level, came back to this support, okay, of 7.3 and all of that. Is long for DYDX, right? Is long, all right. Entries at 2.07. It is a long. 2.017 is the entry, and then take profit will be at 2.157. Stop loss will be at 1.96. Okay, yeah. So that's basically it. It's a long trade. Okay, so let me cancel all the trade setup I had here before. Okay, so this trade for the D what the I okay currently is we've been consolidating around this area, guys. Okay, so consolidating here after breaking this trend line. Okay, after breaking this trend line, we'll be consolidating here for a while. So here is serving as our support. I'm going to be looking for a long trade from here, guys. All right, you see this candle, this bullish candle that pumped and took us to $8. So if I come to the 1 hour time frame, for instance, so why you see all of this map here is that we've been consolidating here. So we consolidated here for a while, break below it, and then came back. So we now started using here as a support, as a resistance. Okay. So we've been using that as a resistance. Now, if you come down or come up here, okay, at 8.07, you want to be looking. That is if we don't break through it. Okay. But this is what I have. Okay. I'll go to the 15 minutes time frame and set up my trade. Okay. I'm going to be taking a trade on the 15 minutes time frame, guys. So for me, for the INJ token, I'll have to set up here. Currently, I'm not going to enter any trade right now. I'm not going to enter any trade right now. So for my long setup, it will be here. Okay. Sorry. My long entry will be here. Right. 7.84 will be my long entry. And then my short entry will be here. All right. A quick scalping will be here. And then I will take it down to that area there. All right. So if it comes, if INJ comes to this $8, that is 8.01, 8.06 or 8.07, I'm going to short. All right. And then if it gets down to this level of 7.846, I'm going to long. This is what I'm looking at for INJ right now. This is exactly what I'm looking at for the INJ token, guys. So allow that to play. This is what I'm looking at for the INJ token right now. Okay. This is almost hitting our entry level. Oh, it has hit stop loss already, guys. It has hit stop loss already. So look at that. Can you imagine? Who took that trade? Who took this YGG trade, please? What happened? Yeah, it hit stop loss, guys. So it went slightly above. Um, so YGG hit stop loss. We'll look for another entry, guys. Okay, so for INJ, this is exactly what I am looking at. Okay, so pay attention to that. That is the setup that I have for INJ and let it play out. All right. So let me see that YGG trade again. Yeah, so where was our stop loss, please? Okay, this one was $70, but this other one I set up here, I thought I didn't put stop loss on this. Okay, so we'll look for another entry, guys. I'm going to re-enter that trade. Just give me a moment, okay? Let me set up this before I come back to you guys. Guys, please, I will not be taking this trade any longer, okay? Because even if I make profit with the amount of margin I'm putting into this trade, okay, I will still be in losses because the funding rate is minus 2.4%. Okay, minus 2.4%. That is too high. All right, except you are going to be looking for long setup, guys. So only look for long setup and funding rate will not affect you. The funding rate will be in the next 50 minutes. In the next 50 minutes, you'll be paying funding rate and all of that. So, guys, funding rate is too high for me right now. So I'll cancel all my trade setup. I guess that's why I get all this liquidation. So even if you make profit, you will not see the profit. Funding rate is too high, guys. So if you're in a trade for the next 50, 45 minutes or thereabout, you'll be paying very high funding rate, except you make good money, okay, to pay off those debts and all of that. So I will ignore this trade right now, okay? I will ignore that trade right now. All right, Elera, you're welcome, okay? I'm waiting for the next trade, okay? Sorry about that. Sorry for joining late. You're welcome. All right, so if you want to trade this, okay, trade it, but I'm not going to do that. Let me, I'm just tempted to trade to revenge, but let's let it go, guys. Let's let it go. So let's look for another trade. Let's look for another setup, okay? So let me look for another setup, guys. Let's look for another setup. Okay, next, I don't know what this token is about, but let's see what's going on with that particular token. All right, while that is opening up, while that is loading up, let me check another one. Let's check another one and see. Guys, I don't know what this change. Maybe I should look for a way of sharing my phone screen. LPT, we had a setup this morning for LPT, right? I think so. We had a setup this morning for LPT. We did. Okay. So look at LPT again and see what's possible with that rate. Okay, let me LPT on the trading view tab. Okay. So for LPT, I think the setup we had this morning was looking at this area, which is where we rejected from. But personally, I was thinking this coin would have gone to like maybe around this area of 5.7 or so, or thereabout. I don't know. The limit order I have is 5.6. Okay, 5.6 is the limit order I set up for this particular trade. I don't know what's wrong with this token. Why exactly is it bumping the way it is? This thing has gone to almost 6. Can you imagine? 70 cents. Okay, guys, just give me a moment. Okay, I'm trying to see how this YGG token is something I'm having network issue, guys. Say. Sorry, I don't understand what you're saying. Hold of Leonard to that. Telegram group, okay? Join us on Telegram. Just go to the description of this video and the group there, okay? Yeah, join us on Telegram, all right? You can go to Telegram. Yeah, what's happening with this coin? Okay, so next level we should be looking at is 84 cents. Can we take this risk and long this coin? Let me take this out. Can we take the risk and long this coin? Next level, zone here. Susan, you see why I was saying you should take a break. Okay, you entered the same trade I entered that hit my stop loss. See why I was saying you should take a break. That's why I said take a break. Take a break. Sorry about that. So should I long or short? Guys, give me. What are you saying? Should I long or short? YGG is still pumping, and then the next level is on the weekly time frame. Actually, the next level we are looking at is this area of 84, 85, 84, 85 cent. Okay, 84, 85. I'm looking at next. Should I short or okay? Or we can do both. We can just do both and short. All right, let me just go and edge this trade right now. I'll do both long and short. I'm going to do both long and short for this particular trade. Let's see the one that will favor us. Okay, Dominic said I should short. All right. Maybe I shouldn't edge. I should short and down and consolidate somewhere. Okay, let me just short, right? Let me short, then I'll wait for it to dump a bit. Okay, I will do. Let me reduce my leverage this time around. Let me use 5x leverage to hold a position, guys, as long as I can. I want to hold this for as long as I can, guys. Okay, let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. YGG is doing us pepper, doing us shaggy, and all of that. Okay, let's see how it goes. All right, let's see how it goes. We're going, and then for LPT, I don't have any setup for LPT right now. LPT USDT. I don't have any setup for this particular token right now. All this token pumping in here. It's BTC we want to pump. We want BTC to go to 40,000 and even another all-time high, okay? another all-time high for BTC. We are looking for another all-time high for BTC. All right, so for this particular trade for LPT, I'm looking that this trade will to 5.3. I think it's from there down. That it will come up that way. So yes, a projection around this area, we're going to show 5.4, right? 5.4, anything around this zone. If we have a rejection there again, guys, short this trade. Yeah, that's exactly what Dominic said. Okay, so yeah, shorting, we have already opened the short trade. So let's see. Um, yeah, this time around, I just did it with very low leverage so that I don't get taken again. I don't want to use high leverage and all of that. High leverage will kill us. Okay. So I'm using as low leverage as possible so that I don't get taken out of the market again. So yeah, I'm opening a short trade right now, and let's see before the end of the day how it will play out. Let's see before the end of the day how it will play out, right? And then I'm equally looking at the L as well. Trade as well. So I'm going to set it order for LT right here. So I set my limit order 5.2 to straight to what I've put here 85, all right, 5.6. Profit will be happy. Works happy. Exactly what I am going. Yeah, so for one Nexa, let's see. This coin is actually very mad. This YGG of a thing. Okay, so for this particular token, let's look. All right. Okay, so the chat is not loading up, guys. Sorry, I may be being distracted by YGG. Okay, I entered the trade already, and that trade is doing its own village thing. Okay, so this token already started dumping, so there's nothing to do about this. I don't have any setup for this particular trade right now, guys. I don't have any setup for this trade. No setup for this trade, guys. Look at that candle dropping, dropping, dropping. I see this token coming down more. Right. Let's do 1 hour and see. I don't have any setup for this particular trade. I want to focus on YGG. Let me see if I can be entering both long and short position at the same time. And see how much I can scalp this trade and make the hell out of it. That's exactly what I'm looking at, guys. So this one is equally a short trade, but I want to focus on one, guys. Let's focus on one. Let's focus on one because I've been distracted a lot from this YGG stuff. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. Please don't trade YGG, okay? Don't trade. This thing is performing. Can you imagine? This token about self. YGG token. What exactly is pumping the trade? What is the token about? What's happening to it? Let me see. Why is this pumping? Enya. Okay, after Binance announced the launch of 1 to 20x feature. Okay, this is for Dodo. I'm looking at why YGG is pumping. Okay, so token began to pump with plus 30% within 1 hour. YGG token also pumped after similar announcement. A market maker known for its aggressive style appears to be involved. Okay, so Binance announcement is part of why this coin is pumping. That's all I need to know now. Don't forget to add more your bags. Okay. This has more volume than BTC on Bybit. Even on this other exchange I'm trading, okay, even on the Maxi exchange, over 300 and how many $1 million in this. The volume is something else, guys. The volume is something else. What's happening? Why did you getting to near top? Stay safe, trade with caution. Okay. Somebody has even done a video analysis on that. Jesus. Why did you 90 cent? It has liquidated me again. Coin market cap is giving me a different price. Okay, yeah, that price on coin market cap is not correct. Okay, yeah, coin market cap price is not correct. That's what I'm trying to find out. Okay, Lily, that's what I'm trying to find out. What exactly is making it pump? Okay, let's welcome YGG token trading with ETH network on Apple Swap. Okay. Yeah, definitely. When it's pumping, a lot of people want to, you know, Binance Open Features for Dodo. The last time they did this was on YGG, and it has tripled even after the news pumped. I'm going to long Dodo to 15 cent area. Let's go. Somebody's even bearish. Okay, YGG hackers are finding vulnerabilities of this coin. Hey. YGG volume already 750 mils. Okay, so this thing will dump. Definitely to dump, but how long? Okay, do you have the capital to hold the trade until it dumps? That is the thing. All right. Even with 5x leverage, my liquidation is just at 81 cent. 81 cent, right? So do you have the money to hold this until when it dumps? YGG, I'm bearish on YGG now. Okay. 8 hours ago, you're still bearish. Today was the last day of pump. Okay, somebody here say today is the last day of pump. Let's see and let's watch and see how it goes. Okay, YGG volume, and yeah, we've seen that before. Train is living, sell everything you have, but buy YGG. Hey, great price to buy. Yeah, if you have bought at that area, then too much money right now. Okay, if you have bought at 0.53, then too much money right now. The shock was too much. AXS, King, AI chain, also YGG. What are we doing now in the next hour? I don't know. Mhm. Eh, okay, somebody is equally bearish. Okay, YGG, this coin will dump like Shiba, pump and pump again. Okay, that's speculation. Maybe pump hard when uptrend. Guys. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Snokun doesn't want to hear what. All right, guys. YGG has eaten part of my. Am I in profit? Okay, now because of the volume that is coming in and how volatile this coin is, okay, the prices will definitely be different across all exchanges. In the spot market, in the futures market, and all of the prices would definitely be different. All right, the prices would definitely be different. That's one thing I want you guys to note. Okay, prices would definitely be different. So pay attention to that. But my trade is still running. Let's see whether we'll get tired at this zone right here. Okay, let's see if we get tired at this zone right here at 73. But I still see this area. Okay, area of 84. I still see $84 area. Okay, I still see that $84 area, guys. I still see that $84 area. So yeah, guys. Will you be able to stay in this market for long? That is the point I am actually driving at right now. And funding rate is high. Okay, for all short position holders, funding rate is very high. So the coin will need to go down very well, like 200, 300 before you can actually get something out of your trades. This coin will need to go out very well before you can get something out of your trades. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so it's dumping right now. Who's in this trade? Is anybody in this trade? Let me know on the chat. Who is holding a short position already? Let me know on the chat if you are holding a short for YGG. Look at YGG 63 cents. Can you imagine? YGG 63 cents. Who is holding a position here? 64. Is the beginning of the dump here, or are we still expecting more pump? Is this the dump we have been waiting for, or should we wait for another? Is this the dump we have been waiting for, or should we wait for another, guys? Can you imagine? Instead of just eating me up, like. Now, this is one thing I don't understand. My entry was 68 cents, right? And now it's 65 cents. I'm not in profit yet. Why? Please, who is in this trade? If you're in this trade with me, let me know on the chat. Who is in this trade with me? If you are here with me, let me know on the chat. Okay. Take profit will be $50, 50 cents. Who's actually trading this coin right now? Nobody. I'm the only one in the trade. Okay, since there is nobody, let's look for another token to trade. Okay, let's look for another token to trade. Guys, if you don't have a Mexi account, go to the description of the video and sign up with the link there. Okay, I have a bonus for you up to $9,000 in deposit bonus. So take advantage of that and claim your bonuses, right? Take advantage and claim your bonuses, guys. Kai. Okay, Dominic, are you still holding? All right. Okay, I'm not alone. I'm not alone. Okay. What I've decided to do is just to gradually add to my position. But right now at 64 cents, I think I'm a bit calm. Okay. I'm a bit calm. This candle will close in the next 7 minutes. Let's see if we can take it down to 53 or 54 cents or thereabout. Okay. I'm a bit calm right now because we are, below my entry price. Okay. Yeah, we are below my entry price. Let's see how it goes. I'm a bit in profit right now. So yeah, I'm some percent in profit right now. Let's see if we can bring it down. This is let's see if we can take it down. Let me adjust my take profit to 300%. I'll take profit when it gets down to 300%. Okay. So let me adjust that and see where 300%, 300. 27 cents. Which kind of magic is that? 27 cents. Let me see the possibility of this coin getting to 27 cents, guys. So let's do 4 hours. Let me see the possibility of this getting to 27. Okay, let me do 200. 200 should be more realistic. 40 cents. What's the possibility of this token getting to 40 cents? 40 cents is around here. Okay, 40 cents should be here. Let me adjust that. 40 cents. Okay, 200% will be 0.04. That is 0.48. Okay, 408. Is it possible for this coin to get down here? Is it possible that this coin will get down here? That is 200%. So 200% will be 200% of whatever I'm risking on this trade. Let me do that and see what happens. 200%. Let's see what happens with this trade. Okay, so let me end for shorts. So entry will be entry price is 8, and then take profit will be 408. So let's see what happens. Yeah. What's the possibility that this coin will get down here? Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, let's see how that works. For those of you who are smart enough to pick the coin at 70 cents or thereabout, well, to you are a bit more already profit right now. So enjoy your profit. All right. If you are lucky enough to pick this token at 73 cents, guys, close your trade right now and look for another entry. Okay. Or you can adjust your stop loss. All right. Adjust your stop loss to the entry and wait. All right. Look at this. Look at this. This candle will close. Okay. We're on the 4 hours. That candle will be, let's look at the lower, let's look at the 1 hour. This one will close in the next 19 minutes. Okay. This one will close in the next 19 minutes. If this create like a pin back candle, right? If this end up to be a pin back candle, a bearish pin back candle, then the possibility of us getting to this level is there, right? The possibility of us getting down to this level is there. All right. So let this close like a pin back. The pin back candle closes in the next 90 minutes. Okay, in the next 90 minutes, if this is a pin back candle, then what I am expecting to see in this market is, like a trade going like that and then gradually coming down to this level. Okay, how long will it take? I don't know. All right, let me check how long it will take for this to play out, guys. For it to get here, it will take you like 1 day. Okay, except if we have a very massive pool, like a massive dump right now. Okay, with over $1 billion in this coin right now, trading in volume, depending on the exchange you are using. Okay, if we get a massive dump right now, this can happen in less than 1 hour. all right, in less than 1 hour. But if it is this consolidation, like this small candle you're seeing here, then it can take up to 24 hours for that to play out. But I want to see this candle in the next 18 minutes to close as a pin bar candle, a bearish pin bar candle, and then we see it going down that way, and all of that. Then we can be confident that it will get here. Now, one thing I would do is, if it gets here, I will adjust, okay, to recover from all the losses that this coin has eaten from me. If it gets here, I will adjust my take profit level to somewhere around there, or stop loss to somewhere around there, and then take profit down there to the 200-day moving average. Okay, take profit to the 200-day moving average. So I want this candle to close as a pin bar candle, guys. Yes, on the 1 hour time frame, I want it to close as a pin bar candle. Then I will see a continuation of that downtrend down there till we get to that 40-cent level. All right. So enough of YGG. Let's go and sleep. Right now, I am confident because I'm in profit right now. I'm confident that this trade will go. So I don't need to keep myself here, guys. You know, YGG ate my money yesterday. It ate again today before I realized it. And now I entered again and he wanted to take it away from me. Why? Okay, guys. So what else do you want us to look at, guys? What else do you want us to look at? Okay. So, Susan, are you still here? What's up with you? Are you still here? Have you taken a break? Susan, are you still here or you have taken a break? Susan has lost a lot of money in this, okay? Though she made money, she made over 600 and then all of a sudden she lose another 300. 300 if you're in Nigeria. $300 is plenty money. $300 is plenty money if you're in Nigeria. Okay, guys. So that is it about the YGG stuff. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, let's see how it plays out. Let's see how our trade plays out on this. And basically, that is it. So a move from here, from the current level to a move from here down there will be, 31%. Oh, 31%, guys. Even with the 10x leverage, that's enough. And then if you take it down here, even to the 200 moving average, that should give you about 50%, all right? 50%, yeah. Okay. Okay, I hope you did not re-enter the trade, Susan. I hope you are not re-entering the trade. If you entered at 73, lucky for you, you might have made back your money. But if you enter wrongly, if you enter, I want to go short again. Hold on, no, please hold on. Hold on, don't short now. I don't know. I will not be a party to that. Okay. I'm not going to advise you to short right now. I don't know if this will continue to go down. Okay. But if this candle closes as a pin bar candle, right? I want to see in the next 15 minutes this candle closes as a pin bar candle. With this bearish, if it is a bearish pin bar candle, then you see that this is maybe this can be like a liquidity grab. Okay, went back up there, grabbed all the stop losses, and then coming back down and the rest. Please, if you have to, make sure you are doing that with little capital, with low leverage, and all of that. Okay, please don't trade, don't reverse the trade so that we don't get. Okay, all right. If you get your confirmations, no problem. All right. If you get your confirmations, no problem. You can go ahead and short. All right. Whatever confirmation you're waiting for, if it works out very well, you have, they go ahead to short that trade. Okay. Yeah. Let's look at SUI Edu. Let's look at SUI and see what's going on with that token. SUI USDT. What's going on with SUI? Let's see. So finally, YGG is running in profit for me. So SUI USDT, let's look at that. Let's look at that and see what's possible with that. Okay, so yeah, let me go to the 4 hours time frame. Guys, smash that like button, okay? Smash that like button, guys. Encourage us here, encourage us, and okay, smash that like button, and let's see what's possible, guys. So this is SUI, right? So guys, currently we are seated at this support level, okay? So for me, a confirmation of a breakout will be an ideal, all right? So even if I go to the 1 hour time frame, I want to wait for a break of that trend line for a long trade setup, okay? So what I personally would do is to start entering a trade right here, all right? If we get back to this level of 58 cents, I can target as high as I want, but your first take profit area should be here, guys. Okay, at the trend line, right? So, but what I want to see play out, guys, is seeing this trade come down this way for SUI, come down this way. From here, we take it back up. Okay, break that trend line, retest it. If we do that, then your entry should be around this area. Okay, if we do that, then your entry for a long trade, okay, for a long trade setup will be, so your entry for a long trade setup will be around this area at the retest of the trend line. Okay, at the retest of the trend line, that is where you should be looking to long this particular trade. Okay, so for SUI, this is what I'll be waiting for. All right, but if we break below this area, then guys, you should be looking for, a more short opportunity to down to around 50 cent. Okay, a more short opportunity down to around 50 cent. But here, a break of that trend line to the upside, okay, we are going to be taking a trade to the upside. That is exactly what I'll be looking at for the SUI trade. Okay, so James, this is my setup for SUI. This is what I'll be looking at. That is where I would enter the trade. That is where I would, be looking for a trade. Okay, so let it play out, break a trend line, retest it, and then you take it up to the upside. All right. So James, that is what I'll be looking at for SUI. Right. I can go ahead and set a limit order, guys. Let me set a limit order in case SUI goes and do what we call some, just go down there and go up, back up. Okay. So SUI USDT. Let me set a limit order. So if I go to like the 15 minutes time frame, let me at the 15 minutes, 15. So for the 15 minutes time frame, I will take my entry down here. So my entry will be at 0.518, 581, sorry. 0.581. Okay, put in whatever amount you want to put in for the SUI trade. Then take profit can be as high as 70 cents. Let's do 70 cents for take profit. Okay, let's do 66 cents, okay? And then stop loss, let's do 56. Okay, that is 0.55665, okay? 55665 will be our top stop loss. Okay, go ahead and confirm that. Then we take a long trade. All right. So in case it works out, that's the miss out on that. All right. Okay, that is the setup I have for SUI, guys. Okay, smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button if you love what we are doing here. Smash that like button. Okay, button right. Okay, why GG there with us today? Why made profit for some? Made some losses for us. Okay, so which other token again do you want us to look at, guys? Which other token again do you want us to look at? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let's do this. Which token will give us quick money right now? I'm looking for a token that will give us quick money right now. Which token will give us quick money right now? Look at this. This is still dropping actually. Okay. Is this the YGG also? Can you imagine? This could be the dump. Guys, I feel this is the dump we've been expecting on YGG, right? Where is it? Where is that token? Susan, have you entered the token? Have you entered the trade? Where is this? Can you imagine? Look at this. Susan is already 400 in profit. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Thank God you're making back your money, okay? Yeah, you're making back your money. Yes, so this could be the dump we are expecting, right? Is this the dump we have been expecting, or should we wait for another? Is this the dump we are expecting, or should we wait for another? All right. So Susan is already all right. Yeah, thank God you're making back. Please secure the profit as soon as you can. Okay. If you are still in the trade, make sure that you adjust your stop losses. All right. Make sure you adjust your stop losses to, secure some profit and all of that. All right. So yeah, this is the dump we are expecting, guys. This is the dump we are expecting. Just be much money in this trade. Okay. It pains me that I didn't put too money. Would have put in a bigger capital, and then this is the dump. Okay, if once this candle closes below this area, then the next area will be this area here at 43, and then if it closes below 43, then we can go to 40 and even go to as low. Now, one funny thing about this token is that they can go to as low as let me even look at the time frame. Okay? We can have this one candle and go all of this. All right, we can go to as low as 26 cents. Just watch this candle. All right, just watch this token. One funny thing is that this token can go to as low as 23, 26 before it even start reversing back. Okay, that's just one funny thing with a token. When tokens is when they start pumping. Okay, so let's see the Fibonacci retracement tool and see what's possible here. Okay, so our 618 level is just around, just slightly below. That is around 39 cents or thereabout. Yes, our 618 level is around 39 cents, and then this 786 level is around 30 cents. Okay, so those are just areas of interest. All right. If this continues to dump, it may bounce at the 6-1, even at the 50% level, at the 618 level, or even at the 786 level. It's all right. It's possible that this token can dump to as low as that area, and start pumping up again. But let's see how it works. Okay? Let's see how it that, guys. Let's say that kudos to all of you if you are in that trade and you are making some profit. Great. But if not, if you're not making some profit, guys, sorry. Okay, all right. So basically, that is about YGG. Let's see if we can recover from our losses from YGG. If we can recover from our losses from YGG, let's see how that works. Okay, what other token again? Guys, smash that like button, okay? If you don't have a Mexi account, go to the description of this video. Okay? go to the description of this video. Just use the first link there to sign up for a Mexi account. And then you have up to $9,000 in rewards. Okay, yeah, use the first link here to sign up for a Mexi account. And if you are not on the Telegram, guys, click on the show more button and join Telegram with this link. Okay, if you don't have a TradingView account, you have all the links here, guys. That's the only way you support us here in this channel. Okay, that's the way you support us. Or if you want to join the community, guys, go ahead and click on the join now. Okay, if you want to join YouTube community, all right, supporting us every month, go ahead and join. And going forward, I'll be having, for those in the advanced level, I'll be having, some private live stream with you guys, okay, where we get to talk, you get to ask questions and all of that, okay, all of that. So yeah, join up, support us, and let's see how we can take this further. Okay, we intend to do this every day going forward, every day, every single day, right? Mondays to Saturdays, trading crypto every day. Guys, if we do this every day and we're making like 2-3% every day, okay, 2-3% every day, then you know that at the end of the month, maybe every week you're getting like 50, 100% every week, and then at the end of the month you get like 400% in return, 100% in return on your capital and the rest. It's a good business. It's a good business, guys. It's a good business, a very good one. So take advantage. All right, sign up for a Mexi account, sign up for Binance, for Bybit account. All the links are in the video description, guys. All right. So yeah, I think we'll call it a day here. Any other token you want us to look at? Is there any other token you want us to look at, guys? This token is bouncing back up. So if you want to secure profit, do that. Okay. I think it's bouncing from the is it a 3? Let's look at the levels. This yen is a 382 level. Okay. A 382 level. Let's see if it will reject from that area, the 382 level. But just make sure you secure a profit before you start having this token start reversing to the upside. Okay, just make sure you secure profit, guys. Just secure profit for yourself, guys. All right, any other token you want me to look at? If not, I think we'll call it a day here, guys. We'll call it a day here, and we'll continue again tomorrow, guys. Do have a profitable week ahead. Okay, do have a profitable day. All right, enjoy your trading. Don't be careless. Don't throw away your money, because we need that money. And guys, remember that the Bybit trading competition is ongoing. Okay, participate in that competition and take advantage of all of the reward pool that Bybit will be giving out. Okay, participate in the Bybit ongoing competition, guys. Participate in the ongoing competition. If you don't have a Bybit account already, sign up. Okay, so hi. Yes, high USDT. Let's look at. We had a setup for high this morning, right? Yes, we had a setup for high this morning. USDT. So let's look at high. What did I do now? Okay, sorry, I'm reloading my screen. Okay, so let's look at high and see the trade setup we have there. I think what happened? don't understand what's happening to my screen right now. Is this YGG or high? Which one exactly is what's happening? Okay, guys, I don't know what's happening with my screen. Everything is just stopped. I can't see anything from my end. Okay, I don't know if you are seeing it from your end, but trading view is okay. Let's use the Mexi exchange. Okay, let's use the Mexi exchange and check for the high token and see possible with that token right now. So give it a moment, let it load up. Okay, so let's look at high USDT. Yeah, network issue. Yeah, serious network issue. That's what I'm dealing with, guys. So I've been clicking and clicking, and it's not working. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I had a setup for that particular coin. I don't know why that stuff is not loading in the morning section, yes. So please, I don't know. Okay, so I'm having a really bad network situation. Yes, so there's no way I can help about that. Okay, so I'm sorry, Namdi. Sorry about hi. We had a setup in the morning. We have another section in the morning tomorrow. Okay, before the afternoon section and all of that. So please, we'll continue from where we stop tomorrow. Okay, let me try to put things together from my end. So network is not allowing us. So please join us tomorrow. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right. So that when we go live, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when we go live, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay. Right now, I can't fix anything right now because of network issue and all of that. So let's meet again tomorrow morning. Bye bye, guys. Tomorrow 7 a.m. 7:15 a.m. and then later in the afternoon 12 12 noon will be our meetup. Okay. So bye bye. Enjoy your trading. Be profitable. Don't lose your money. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.